In this tutorial, we shall test our post web API and create a new record. So we shall have to first establish a connection between HttpRepl and our web server, and then we will have to post the JSON for the new record that we have to create on the server. Let's see how. First, let us have a look at the web API that we have to call. Open the web API project that we have been discussing in this chapter. This project is already available in your downloads. Locate the program.cs file, open it and scroll to the part that you are seeing here. We shall make a call to this post web API that you are seeing here. It responds with HTTP 201 and a JSON of the newly created record. Also, recall that as we explained in the previous tutorials, the endpoint of our web API is Doctor because it appears as the first segment of the route templates of all our web API. Run the project to open the home page. This ensures that the server is up and running. Take note of the address and it will be required for making a connection between HttpRepl and this server. And next we have to make a connection between HttpRepl and our web API server. Come to Visual Studio and use the menu Tools, Command Line, Developer Command Prompt and open the HttpRepl console window. Type the command HttpRepl followed by the server address as you are seeing here. Hit enter and wait for the connection. If everything goes right, the command prompt will now show the address of your server as you are seeing here. And next we have to connect to the Doctor endpoint, so type the command cd doctor and hit enter. You should now be connected to the Doctor endpoint as you are seeing here. And now we are ready to execute the call to our web API. At the command prompt, type post followed by the JSON of the record to be created as you are seeing here. Notice that JSON is passed as a parameter. The parameter is called content. You could have used C also. And the more important thing is that it is put inside a double quotes even though the JSON itself includes double quotes. Take care of this. If your JSON is too complex or too long, then it may not be practical to paste everything here. It is possible to use an external file for this, but I'll suggest that you should go through the documentation of HttpRepl and study how to do that. I won't be able to take that here. I have taken a simple case, but you can use a file also to pass JSON and receive the result also. And now hit enter and wait for the response from the server.